Today, we will practice useful English for giving directions.
This lesson is perfect for walking around town with confidence.
We will learn phrases for asking the way, turning, crossing streets, and finding places.
In this story, I will guide you, so please follow me.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy useful direction English together. Hi. Thanks for meeting me here.
Of course. I am glad you could come.
Do you know where we are going today?
Not exactly. I was hoping you could guide me.
Sure. I know the area well.
That makes me feel relieved.
First, let's walk out of the station.
Okay, I will follow you.
How do I say ついてきて in English?
You can say, follow me.
Follow me.
Good. That is a very useful phrase. Where are we going first?
We are going to a nice cafe near the park.
Is it far from here?
No, it is not far from here.
That is good to know.
How do I say ここから遠くない in English?
You can say, it is not far from here.
It is not far from here.
Excellent. That sounds natural.
We can get there in about 10 minutes.
That sounds easy.
Yes, let's enjoy the walk. First, go straight down this street.
Okay, straight ahead, right?
Yes, straight ahead.
How do I say まっすぐ進んで in English?
You can say, go straight.
Go straight.
Perfect. It is one of the most common direction phrases.
I see a lot of shops on this street.
Yes, it is always lively here.
The walk is fun already.
Good. We are going the right way.
I'm glad I don't have to guess.
At the next corner, turn left.
Turn left at the next corner. Got it.
After that, we will pass a bookstore.
That sounds easy to remember.
How do I say 左に曲がって in English?
You can say, turn left.
Turn left.
Good. And turn right is 右に曲がって.
Exactly. Both are very important.
I will remember both phrases.
Great. Let's turn here.
Okay. I see the bookstore now.
Now we need to cross the street.
Should we use the crosswalk?
Yes, let's use the crosswalk.
How do I say 道を渡って in English?
You can say cross the street.
Cross the street.
Perfect. That is simple and practical.
The light is green now.
Then let's cross carefully.
There are many cars here.
Yes, so we should be careful.
Thanks for keeping an eye on everything. How do you always know where to go?
I usually look for landmarks.
What is a landmark?
It is an easy building or sign to notice.
That makes sense.
For example, the cafe is next to the post office.
How do I say 隣にある in English?
You can say, it is next to the post office.
It is next to the post office.
Excellent. That is a very useful pattern.
Landmarks really help me picture the route.
Exactly. They make directions easier. We are getting close now.
Really? I can't see the cafe yet.
You will see it on your right.
How do I say 右側に見えてきます in English?
You can say, you will see it on your right.
You will see it on your right.
Good. It is another useful phrase.
Oh, I see the sign now.
Yes. That is the place.
Your directions were very easy to follow.
I'm glad to hear that.
I feel more confident now. What if we get lost someday?
Then we can ask someone for help.
What should I say first?
You can say, excuse me, how can I get to the station?
How can I get to the station?
Perfect. That is one of the best phrases to know.
Can I also ask, where is the station?
Yes, that is also natural.
Excuse me, where is the station?
Very good. Short and clear is often best.
I think I can ask for help now.
That is great progress. Here we are. We arrived.
That was quicker than I expected.
The route was simple once you knew it.
Yes, it was easy with your help.
How do I say 道案内してくれてありがとう in English?
You can say, thank you for showing me the way.
Thank you for showing me the way.
Excellent. That sounds kind and natural.
You are welcome.
I learned a lot today.
I'm happy I could help.
Next time, maybe I can guide you. What was the most useful phrase today?
I think go straight and turn left are essential.
I also liked, it is not far from here.
That one is very helpful, too.
I want to practice more next time.
Of course, practice makes it easier.
I feel less nervous now.
That is wonderful.
You explained everything so clearly.
Thank you. I tried to make it simple.
This was a great walking lesson.
Yes, let's do another lesson soon.
Let's review the most useful direction phrases.
Sure, I'm ready.
Follow me.
Follow me.
It is not far from here.
It is not far from here.
Go straight.
Go straight.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Cross the street.
Cross the street.
It is next to the post office.
It is next to the post office.
How can I get to the station?
How can I get to the station?
Thank you for joining our Directions English lesson.
We practiced useful phrases for walking around town and finding places.
Giving directions can be simple when you know the key phrases.
I hope you feel more confident now.
Please repeat the phrases many times.
Step by step, English becomes easier.
Thank you for walking with us today.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care and have a great day.